Hello guys, so good morning. It's another day, it's another blessing. Welcome to my channel, and here's another video, another vlog for our trip to Japan. Oh, ayan guys, we are now heading to the airport at ito ang ating mga boys, kasama sila sa ating trip. As you can see, there's a group of kids or boys here because the main purpose of this trip is they are invited for a tournament in Japan. One thing for sure, the boys are very excited for this trip. Not just them, but also the parents. The parents that didn't join, but also for the parents that join like us for this trip. So it's very exciting, and it's a group, so it's so nice to see them, how they are behaving, how they are excited, how they are preparing for all these boys to go on this trip.
It's our first day. Ja.
Welke foto jullie maken?
Mavix?
This is the Access Express transport, Haneda Airport, with direct service to the Noi Akasamai and the Cape Line. The next stop is Iban Monday. The stop after Iban.
And we are out of the station. We are out of the station. Yes. We did it. And that's I see now. McDonald's. At nandito kami sa stadium ng Raysol. Ivo!
Ano, después todo. A mejor es esto. ¿Lo ves allá, mami? ¿Lo ves? No. Como me dice que lo vi.
Mavix. Mavix. Mahal, you put Mavix in your neck. You want? So you can see. Maybe anywhere. Nej, niet pakken, niet pakken, niet pakken. Niet pakken. We're going to cross.
Alright, en dan gaan we linksaf.
Linksaf. Zo.
Ja, de lichten worden hier nog erger.
Kababashi Street. At dito kami sa Kababashi Street. Nagtitingin kami ng mga knife, kitchenware. Ito yung street ng mga kitchenware at kung ano pa. O diba? May sombrero tayo, guys. O, ang social naman dito. You wanna check? Baka mahal dito. Ang social naman tingnan to. Masashi jacket. Oh, wow. There's a lot of nice engraved knife. Kaya na lang, mahal. Ganyan. With all the design. turista for a day. Japan, Japan, pag-asa ng bayan. Japan, Japan, pag-asa ng bayan. Dito naman tayo sa mga cherry blossom. Look, dito tayo sa may bridge. Dito sa may tubig dito sa malapit sa amin may tubig. Look at that. Tatawid tayo, pupunta tayo sa Skytree. Tapos, ano pa ba? Kailangan nating maura. Ano ba yan? Ayaw mag-zoom. Ayan, dito yung alley ng cherry blossom. Ang ganda talaga naman. Ayan. Ito pa, oh. Ayan, oh. Para silang mga, ang magical ng dating. Ang magical talaga dahil. Kulit lang. Ganda. Sakura tree. Sakura. Sakura. Ayan. Punta na tayo dito sa may Skytree. Hala, kulit. Oh. Kanina to ko. Hirap kausap. Hello. Hello, hello. Para kang ano, Spider-Man.